1976. Triumph TR6 is a classic British roadster that captures the essence of open-top driving with its timeless design and engaging performance. As the last model year of the TR6, the 1976 version represents the final evolution of one of the most beloved sports cars of its era, with a blend of vintage styling, a responsive inline-6 engine, and a well-balanced chassis. This car continues to be a favorite among enthusiasts who appreciate classic European driving dynamics. Under the hood, the Triumph TR6 is powered by a 2.5-liter inline-6 engine, producing around 104 horsepower for the North American market and up to 150 horsepower in its original fuel-injected European specification. While these numbers may not seem high compared to modern sports cars, the TR6's lightweight construction and well-tuned suspension make it an incredibly fun car to drive. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission with an optional overdrive, the TR6 delivers a satisfying blend of acceleration and highway cruising capability. One of the standout features of the TR6 is its classic roadster design, which combines clean lines, a long hood, and a short rear deck for that perfect 1970 South British sports car aesthetic. The chrome bumpers, distinctive front grille, and signature rear taillights give it a timeless look that still turns heads today. The wire spoke wheels or steel wheels with chrome hubcaps further enhance its vintage appeal, while the low-slung stance adds to its sporty character. Inside the cabin, the TR6 offers a simple yet stylish interior focused on the driving experience. The wood-grain dashboard, round Smith's gauges, and classic 3-spoke steering wheel create a nostalgic atmosphere. The bucket seats provide decent support for spirited driving, and the overall layout keeps the driver connected to the road. On the road, the Triumph TR6 shines with its direct steering, well-balanced handling, and a lively exhaust note that adds to the driving excitement. The fully independent suspension, combined with a solid rear axle and rear-wheel drive layout, ensures excellent road feedback. While not the fastest car of its time, the TR6 makes up for it with its raw and engaging driving experience. The overdrive option, when equipped, allows for relaxed cruising at higher speeds, making it a surprisingly capable long-distance car despite its small size. As one of the last true British roadsters before the automotive industry moved towards more modernized designs, the 1976 Triumph TR6 holds a special place in automotive history. Its combination of classic styling, engaging performance, and open-top driving pleasure makes it a must-have for classic car enthusiasts. Whether restored to its original condition, the TR6 remains a symbol of pure, unfiltered driving enjoyment. If you love classic European roadsters, make sure to subscribe and let us know in the comments what you think about the legendary Triumph TR6.